1969 Honda Trail 70, same as a lot of the Chinese ATVs. I'm gonna do a top end. Take out the 4 bolts at the top of the valve cover. It's gonna have a nut and a washer on it. That would be that one. Okay. You're gonna take out these 2 Phillips at 10 millimeter. I'm just gonna remove this little slide cover over here. The timing chain. Next, you're going to take a 9 millimeter. Take out those 3 bolts. They only go in one way. You might want to line your cam up. There's a little notch right here. And a little dot on your wheel. Right there. They have to be lined up so that you know it's in time. It would line up. Then you just take those out. Let it slide off with the chain. 10 millimeter bolt. You're ready to pull the top off. Okay, for the second part, you gotta watch out these there's a little pin in there. And you have an O-ring right there. And there's another pin right there. You can see the piston down in there. Before you pull this part off, you gotta take this little 10 millimeter out. Timing chain rotor will come off with it. If you slide the head up far enough, see there's another pin on there. If you slide up just far enough before the piston comes out, you can pull the wrist pin clip off both sides, and you can take the piston out with it. Okay. Clean off the gasket surface real good. You have your chain hanging out. Use a piece of rope or string to thread it through both heads when you pull it back through. Make sure you clean everything off without starting it up. A little dab of RTV seal erector with a case. Split. Just make sure the gasket don't leak. That little spot right there is where your O-ring goes. Put the piston back.